had the chance to drive in the 2016 Toyota Highlander. And this car right here is amazing. Let me say, nothing but roomy and comfort. This is the perfect family car. If you have a family of 4, family of 5, it is all good because it seats, let's see, 8 people comfortably. 8 people comfortably. Can you believe that? With 3rd row cargo seating right there, you could just lift the seats right back. It is so simple and so nice. Of course, you got the standards, you got your backup camera, your Bluetooth connectivity, but it's the small little things that I notice about the Toyota vehicles that make that difference. Even this small cargo area right here in between the dash and the shift, you could put your smart devices here, you could get your tablets, all kinds of stuff so it's not moving around. And they have this smart little feature right here. You go ahead and put your cords down there and plug in your phone and get it charged. That way the cords aren't everywhere. And also, I love the extra large cup holders. Everybody likes to get their big drinks. I love to have my big iced tea. Bam, it fits no matter what. And look at the center console here. So much room in here. The wifey could fit the purse. You could fit a small library. It slides back and forth. It is such a great thing. And like I said, this car is nothing short but comfortable. It's great on gas. You would think a big car like this is going to guzzle your gas. Nuh-uh. It does great on the highways and the freeways as well. I took it on a road trip over the hill. It handled perfectly. I almost forgot that I was driving an SUV. If you want to check out the Toyota Highlander, stop by your Dolan Auto Group right here on Kietzke, Dolan Toyota. This vehicle right here starts off at just a little over $35K. It's a great deal. Hey, it's RJ Palominos from Alice 96.5 Test Drive Tuesday with the Dolan Auto Group, the 2016 Toyota Highlander. Go check out your Dolan Toyota dealer today if you want to get yourself into one. It's fabulous.